I got the Vortex supercharger, the V3, with the smaller pulley, the 2.87, I believe. I put it on E85, tuned on up rev by Admin Tuning. I got the 450 Walbro fuel pump. I have the Motordyne cat back and ARC test pipes. I have what else do I got for power mods? Oh, I have the 5/16 spacer by Motordyne. I got these AEM boost gauge, oil pressure gauge, and air fuel ratio gauge since then. Oh, I bought a while back I bought the one-piece drive shaft from Z1 Motorsports, and I don't know why, but for some reason it vibrates really bad when I get up into the higher digits. I tried switching it out and tried to fix a couple other things. I tried putting it back in, and as soon as I put it back in, now I got the problems again. So looks like I'm either gonna have to take that one to a shop and try to see if I can get it balanced, or just put back in the stock one. I don't know. It kind of sucks because I spent a lot of money on that. Yeah, so I actually ended up having to go back to the stock radiator and fan, which kind of sucked because I ended up getting rid of that, and then I had to buy the stock ones all over again, which kind of sucked. I was kind of debating on putting in spall fans into the to the old Mishimoto shroud, but I don't know. I just decided to go back with the stock one because I knew it would work, and yeah, it's been working great. So I don't know, if you guys are thinking about going boosted, I suggest that you don't get the Mishimoto radiator fan. And it's too big. The stock fan's too big to work with the Mishimoto radiator. It won't fit in there right. With the Vortex supercharger, I mean. So I have that whole setup still, if anybody's interested. It's like brand new. I think I only maybe put like not even like 20 miles on it. I don't think. It was like brand new. Oh, I also have a brand new in the box, never used at all, AEM fuel pump, E85 compatible. I think it's 340 liters per hour. I just put the pops and bangs, or flame and pops and bangs map on. On mine it's map 2. I don't know, for some reason this exhaust is pretty loud, but for some reason I think with the pops and crackle map, it's just not that loud with this exhaust. I don't know. If you guys can hear that. Roll the window up now. I think I kind of figured it out a little bit.